Hi from Liguria, this is Luisa Pupo, and in front of me a wonderful bowl of zimino di Ceci with moscardini. Zimino, a word of ancient Arabic origins, is a preparation, a soup, a sauce, a condiment. In this case it is excellent both as a first course or as a main dish. It features of course moscardini and chickpeas and Swiss chards. Which is the importance of chickpeas in our food. It is pivotal all over the Mediterranean areas. Chickpeas feature everywhere, and their flour is the main ingredient of farinata and panissa, known also as soca in the Côte d'Azur. Here, close to me, here are my friend Mina Popia from Azzurro 2, Arenzano, our sommelier, who is ready to pour me a nice glass of pigato, which is the fittest choice for this kind of dishes. Zimino is also known as the best preparation to enjoy with stockfish, cuttlefish and even tribes. So when in Liguria, do not forget to ask for this dish in its several declinations. It is always a nice choice and a nice way to know more about our history, culture and taste. Do not forget to follow me through my videos and my Liguria by Luisa blog. Salute from the Italian Riviera. Ciao!